Alright guys, now we're going to look at where does regulation come from to the company. So we have different sources of laws and regulation coming to the company from different directions. So let's call this sources of legal authority. So let's have a think about it for a second. Where do you think regulation and law comes from? And you might say, well, it's easy, it's the government. And you would be right. But it's not only the government here. We have the parliament. So if we look at in the context of the UK, the government, as in the president, maybe that's it? No, we have what's called treaties. So this is laws that countries agree between each other. For example, China and the UK. They will have a treaty between the two countries. For example, in terms of trade and tariff taxes. Other places could be international bodies. So these are our supranational organization. Things like the OECD, the WTO, the World Trade Organization, the IFAC or IASB, which is the accounting body above the ACCA. Now we have four main areas of regulation inside the BT exam. There is number one, employment law, because BT is a mini program for how to become a manager inside a company. So employment is huge topic. Health and safety. So especially if you have some sort of manufacturing business, a factory, you want to protect your staff from hazards. Data protection. Especially in Europe, you may know about GDPR, I think it's called, to protect the data of individuals. And then the last one is the sale of goods. So we're going to start with number one, employment first. So let's go